forecast bar offers a wide range of powerful alerts and notifications. Let's take a look at how to set them up. First, we'll start by going to the menu button and selecting Settings. We'll then tap on Alerts. From here, we can configure our severe weather push alerts, as well as a daily summary notification. Let's get started with the push weather alerts. By enabling this, we can then customize what we see alerts for. We can choose to see alerts for all severities, or we can customize this to the most extreme. For example, extreme may be an imminent tornado warning, where minor might be a flash flooding warning that could happen. That brings us to certainty. We can choose to see things that might happen, or really limit them to things that are being observed as we speak. And lastly, we can choose the urgency to see things that are happening in the future, the next hour, or immediate. These all let you control how much you want to see. And if you toggle this switch on the bottom, you'll also be seeing alerts for your neighboring counties. Now you can select a number of locations to receive alerts for. So select all of the areas that you would like to be notified for. Now the daily summary notification provides you with a useful notification that tells you the day's weather. If you have it enabled in the morning or afternoon, you'll get a forecast for the current day. However, if you choose a time in the evening, you'll get a notification that will cover the weather for tomorrow. So you can decide if you would like to wake up to this notification or go to bed knowing what the weather is going to be tomorrow. From here, you can customize the time. You can change the location to see where you want that weather report to be covering. And if you have an Apple Watch, you can also be pulling precipitation alerts straight from the watch. So as it updates the weather on a regular basis, it can tell you about imminent precipitation. There's also a beta feature here to get the temperature to show up as the app badge from the watch. With all of these options, you can stay in control of how you are notified about the weather in your area or areas that you care about.